Another in this window, first quarter, is the refiling of the impeachment complaint against the vice president. Do you think that one has steam compared to, of course, itong corruption issue linked to the Marcos administration?
Well, definitely. I think the people against the vice president and several civil society groups, hindi natin mapipigilan yan. Talagang magfa-fight sila ng impeachment complaint this February. While I have nothing against it because this is really a quest for accountability, I think we also need to understand that the government should also be looking at the bigger picture here and the bigger issue at this point in time, because the COA already made their assertions regarding the confidential fund of the vice president. But I believe na maganda rin naman na matuloy itong impeachment na to if for the purpose that the vice president will really be able to clear out and air out her side, and also for us to better understand, for the public to better understand the context and the conditionalities behind confidential funds. I think this is something good. Pero tignan natin dito, Gretchen, kasi yung dynamics nung pagpa-file ng impeachment last year tsaka yung ngayon. I think a lot of things have changed since the flood control scandal came into play. Iba na yung liderato ng parehong kapulungan ng Congress tsaka ng Senado. Iba na rin yung nagmamando ngayon sa Kongreso. Basically, na dati kasi yung speaker natin, alam natin meron siyang aspirations for 2028 to run for the presidency, and he knows that Sara is the biggest stumbling block to this ambition of his. Ngayon, wala na yun no? So, titignan din natin dito how the congressmen will actually react, knowing that they were able to see somehow the firepower of Sara Duterte during the 2025 midterm elections, kung saan yung mga sinuportahan niyang kandidato, karamihan dito nanalo. So, things like this may actually change the complexity and the dynamics. Pero I think they will really push through with the impeachment complaint. Come hell or high waters, definitely they will do this year. And I hope that they will be able to have enough time to actually, come up with the decision later on.